Hi, this is a mini tutorial on how to upload your documents to your Google Drive. The first thing you want to do is open up Google, and I'm already signed in, so I'm going to go to the array here. If you're not signed in, go ahead and sign in. I'm going to select Drive, and once I'm in my Drive, I will come up here and click on upload folder. You could do files, but it's easier if you do folder since you're doing your H drive. So folder, and then you have a box here. You want to look for your H drive, and there is mine. It says my name, and if I put my arrow on it, I can see that it says Andrew.Humber, and that's my H drive. So once I'm there and it's highlighted, just click upload. A box will appear on the bottom part of your screen, and here are all the documents you can update existing, and they will upload for you. I've done this before, so that's why it says Sunburst matches the existing item in the thing, and I can say keep them separate if I want to. Okay, so that's it. So it will take a while to upload all of your documents. If you have any questions, just ask me and I'll be glad to help you.